Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device is unlocked and supports local frequency bands. This is non-negotiable because incompatible hardware won't connect. Once done, choose between a local eSIM or physical SIM based on trip length and price. eSIMs install instantly. Physical SIMs may be cheaper for heavy data. Make sure to back up your current SIM profile and note APN settings before you swap. That prevents losing service options and speeds up reinstating service when you return. Next, you shop and select a plan that matches your needs. Prioritize GB and 4G/5G speeds for video and maps, and check tethering if you share. After purchase, scan the eSIM QR or insert the physical SIM and immediately configure APN and network selection so signals register correctly. This prevents slow or no data states. Then set payment and top-up options. Prepaid vouchers are fastest. Credit cards may auto-renew. Save receipts and account info in a secure note for troubleshooting. Finally, you optimize daily use. Offload large backups to Wi-Fi, enable a VPN on public hotspots for security, and set data limits to avoid surprise charges. If connection fails, try quick fixes in sequence. Toggle airplane mode, manually reselect the carrier, verify or re-enter APN settings, and restart your phone. These steps resolve most registration or authentication errors. Keep a local SIM backup or roaming plan for emergencies, and document provider support numbers before you travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.